got you. Okay, ready?
Oh my god, got you.
Can you stick it out a little more?
Great. Yeah, look at that needle. That thing's huge. There goes the tear.
Can I go back? Like this forward, okay? So I couldn't go too back then, because you couldn't stick out your tongue, so I didn't go more forward.
Let me see, let me see.
Nasty.
Cool.
Feel better? Feel fuller?
It's big because your tongue's gonna get super fat and swollen tomorrow. Real swollen. Ice it as much as possible. A lot of Listerine, everything you do with your mouth is not with Listerine. No kissing, no play with it, just leave it alone, okay? In a month, you can switch it to a shorter bar.
Oh.